Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of chia seeds and uncovering 7 amazing health benefits you need to know about. As a doctor, I'm always looking for natural ways to boost my patients' health, and chia seeds? They're a total game changer. These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and so many other goodies that your body will absolutely thank you for. So, whether you're a health enthusiast or just looking to add some extra oomph to your diet, stick around because we're about to unlock the incredible power of chia seeds. Let's get started. Let's talk about nutrition. Chia seeds are truly remarkable. In just a single ounce, you're getting a whopping 11 grams of fiber. That's nearly half of your daily recommended intake. And hold on, there's more. They're also an excellent source of protein, boasting 4 grams per ounce, which is particularly important for vegetarians and vegans out there looking to up their plant-based protein intake. And if that's not enough, chia seeds are brimming with essential minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, all crucial for maintaining strong bones, teeth, and overall health. Now, let's talk about antioxidants. Antioxidants are like those amazing friends who always have your back, protecting your cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. And guess what? Chia seeds are bursting with them. We're talking about antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid, known for their potent anti-inflammatory effects. These antioxidants not only help combat oxidative stress, but also play a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain types of cancer. Struggling with those extra pounds? Chia seeds might just be your new best friend. Remember all that fiber we talked about? Well, it works wonders for weight management. Fiber absorbs water and expands in your stomach, making you feel fuller for longer and reducing those pesky cravings. Plus, the protein in chia seeds also contributes to satiety, helping you stay on track with your weight loss goals. It's like a double whammy against unwanted pounds. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for brain health, reducing inflammation, and keeping your heart happy. And while fatty fish often steal the show as the go-to source, chia seeds are a plant-based powerhouse of omega-3s. They're particularly rich in ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that your body converts into EPA and DHA, the 2 types most beneficial for your health. So if you're looking to boost your omega-3 intake, look no further than these tiny but mighty seeds. Remember that incredible fiber content in chia seeds? Well, it's not just great for weight management, it's a digestive superstar. Fiber acts like a gentle broom in your gut, sweeping away waste and promoting regular bowel movements. This means saying goodbye to constipation and hello to a happy, healthy digestive system. A healthy heart is a happy heart, and chia seeds are here to show your ticker some love. Their impressive nutritional profile, including fiber, omega-3s, and those potent antioxidants, all contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Fiber helps lower bad cholesterol levels, while omega-3s reduce inflammation and blood pressure, both major risk factors for heart disease. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you're making a delicious and nutritious choice for a healthier heart. Strong bones are essential for an active and healthy life, and chia seeds are packed with nutrients that support bone health. We're talking about calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, the trifecta of minerals that work together to build and maintain strong bones. So, whether you're young or old, adding chia seeds to your diet can help keep your bones healthy and strong. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and nutrition advice. Remember, incorporating chia seeds into your diet is incredibly easy. You can sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, or even make delicious chia seed pudding. Keep experimenting and find what works best for you. See you next time.